when someone, even a bot or a person, accesses your site, sometimes you have to guide them through the site. So my top 3 tips for e-commerce. Number 1, I would say to make sure that Google can really find and, most importantly, understand your pages. So one of the problems that some websites have is them not being very easy to crawl. So when Google bots access the page or any other kind of bots access the page, they don't really understand what's inside because maybe there's a lot of different scripts being run. The page is quite heavy. There is not a lot of interlinking. There is not a lot of data that really is being fed to the bots. So I would say that one of the main important one of the most important things that e-commerce should do is to make sure that the content inside of the page is very well rendered for the bots, that the content inside of the page is well structured for the bots, and that the page is not very heavy so that bots can actually read it properly. My second tip for e-commerce would be to optimize the content inside of the pages, to make every piece of content or every element inside of the page make sense. And this comes from very high level part of the page, like the H1, the meta title, the meta description that you're showing for the page, all the way to the products that you may be showing in the page. Like make sure that what you're putting inside of the page is actually relevant so that when a user is looking for something that is related to what you show, Google can understand that you have these things that the user wants to see. My third tip for e-commerce platforms would be to really strengthen the internal linking that they have on their site. And this is something that sometimes it's underestimated, but you really need to understand that when someone, even a bot or a person, accesses your site, sometimes you have to guide them through the site. You have to tell them, from here you can go to this other place. I also have other products that might interest you. I also have other categories that could be related. So showing other similar categories, having a proper structure inside of your site, it's something that really helps Google bots and people as well, not just find your place, but also understand how your whole website is built.